since I need to clean all the bug guts off of this thing, I'm going to go ahead and access them and test them out. We've had this unit for about 4 years now. I think it's about time to blow out all the bug guts, and I'll show you around the unit while I'm at it. There's a small panel in the back that you are able to access these without removing the whole upper unit. But since I need to clean all the bug guts off of this thing, I'm going to go ahead and access them and test them out. I undo all the screws upon the top panel and go ahead and vacuum all of the bug guts that I can see. And I do the same thing for the next level, making sure not to lose any of the screws. I wanted to do a double check of the high limit switch, so I removed them earlier and tested them in a boiling pot of water. Let me give you a closer look of where they're located. As stated earlier, they're on the inlet and outlet of the unit, and here I am installing them. You need to add a thermal compound between it and the unit for better heat transfer. That's that silver stuff in the hole. In the same area, we have an analog temperature system and a flow sensor.